Good morning students, this is Prema, your biology teacher from BRGS. Welcome to my biology class. In this class we are going to study about the reproductive health, how to maintain our health. Okay, today's contents are contraceptive methods. In that we are studying three methods. First one is natural contraceptive methods, second one is barrier methods, third one is intrauterine devices. These are the three methods comes under contraceptive methods. Second point is oral contraceptive methods. In this concept we are going to study about the contraceptive methods we are taking orally. Next method is sterilization or surgical methods. Here we are using surgical methods to control a birth. Next last method is medical termination of pregnancy. Shortly we call it as MTP. In this method we are going to study in detail about the how to terminate the pregnancy. Okay, by medically these are the contents we are going to study in detail. In the previous classes we already discussed about the reproductive health, definition of reproductive health. What do you mean by reproductive health? Reproductive health simply refers to the healthy reproductive organs. This health mainly refers to the healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. All reproductive organs functions as normally according to the World Health Organization, WHO. According to WHO, here reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. Total well-being means functions of reproductive organs and also physical reproductive organs, emotional, behavioral and social. Okay, all well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is mentally, physically, emotional and social well-being. Let's study one by one. Contraceptive methods. What do you mean by contraceptive methods? This is also a type of method used to prevent the birth or birth control. These methods are ideal if they are used friendly, easily available. See, this is also a type of method. Here we are using friendly, easily available method. Effective, reversible with no side effects. See, by using this contraceptive there is no side effects and non-interfering with the sexual act. Here non-interfering with the sexual act. There are several methods of birth control. Here so many birth control methods are there in the contraceptive methods. These are categorized mainly as follows. See here several methods comes under contraceptive methods. Let's see one by one here. Natural methods. Name itself indicates the definition here. Natural method of contraceptive method. Here natural method of birth control involves avoiding chances of sperm and ovum meeting. See, this is a type of natural method. Here in this method we are controlling birth by using some natural methods. Okay, method of birth control involves avoiding the chances of sperm and ovum meeting. It can be achieved by what? Number one, periodic absentees in which couples avoid coitus from day 10 to 17. Here we are using the periodic calendar method. See here periodic absentees in which couples avoid coitus means mating from day 10th to 17 days. After period 10th day to 17th day we have to avoid the coitus of the menstrual cycle. In this period ovulation is expected to occur and chances of fertilization. See, in this period ovulation is expected to occur and chances of fertilization are very high. During this period we have to care 10 to 17 days. Also called as rhythm method or natural family planning. This method also called as rhythm method or natural family planning. Here we are going to control the contraceptive method by naturally. In second point, coitus interrupts, also called rejected sexual intercourse or pull-out method or withdrawn. In this method, the penis is withdrawn from the vagina just before ejaculation. Just before ejaculation of the sperm, we have to withdraw the penis from the vagina. This is also a type of method, comes under the contraceptive or natural method. Next, third method is the lactational amenorrhea, refers to the absence of menstruation during the period of lactation following parturition because ovulation doesn't occur in this period. See, after a menstruation during the parturition means you milk feeding, during the milk feeding period, in this time ovulation doesn't occur in this period. There is no ovulation, there is no fertilization, chances of fertilization. That's why the analysis of conception or none. This method is reliable for a maximum period of 6 months after delivery. In this method, we are going to start the coitus after delivery. There is no chances of fertilization during this period. See, second method is barrier methods. First method is natural method. Second one is the barrier method. Name itself indicates a definition here. The barrier means we are using some barriers to avoid the mating between the sperm and ovum. See, barrier methods are based on the prevention of ovum and sperm from physically meeting with the help of barriers. Here we are using some barriers to prevention of ovum and sperm from physically. Okay, barriers may be chemical or mechanical. Here we are using two type of barriers here, chemical barriers and also one more mechanical barriers. First one is condoms. Condoms are mechanical barriers made of thin rubber of latex. See, condoms are mechanical barrier made of thin rubber of latex sheet to cover the penis in male or vagina and cervix in female, which prevent meeting of sperm and ova. Condoms also provides protection sexually transmitted diseases. Here condoms also provides protection sexually transmitted diseases. They are also disposable and can be self-inserted and thereby gives privacy to the user. Next, one more barrier is diaphragm. Cervical caps, it is also called as cervical caps, and vaults are also mechanical barriers made of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover cervix during coitus. When during the coitus period, reproductive tract or reproductive organ we have to cover by this diaphragm. They are reusable. We can use more time. Spermicidal creams. Third one barrier is spermicidal creams or jellies, and foams are chemically barriers usually used along with these barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. See, this is also a type of barrier we are using to avoid the coitus. Next, third method is intrauterine devices, IUDs. Okay, intrauterine devices are the devices introduced in the uterus. This device introduced in the uterus through vagina by doctors or experts or nurses. These are the following types. Here so many types are there. First one is non-medicated IUD. Example, Lippes loop, copper releasing intrauterine device, that is copper T, copper 7, multilode 375. Third one is hormone releasing intrauterine devices. Example, progesterone, okay, LNG 20. These are the intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices prevent contraception in the following ways. How it will work? A. Increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. See here, that increases the phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Here increases the number of sperm cells within the uterus. Next, some intrauterine devices suppress sperm motility and fertilizing ability of sperms by releasing copper ions. For in the case of copper T or copper 7, that suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing ability of the sperms by releasing copper ions. The hormone releasing intrauterine devices make uterus unsuitable for implementation and make the cervix hostile to sperms. In this case, sperms are stick to the cervix. There is no more movement of the sperms in this case. Intrauterine devices are ideal contraceptives for females who want to delay pregnancy. It is one of the most widely accepted contraceptive method in India. Next come to oral contraceptives. In this method we are using some tablets or pills we are taking through orally or hormonal preparations in the form of pills. Pills are small doses of either progestogens or progesterone estrogen combination. Pills are small doses of either progestogens or progesterone estrogen combination of progesterone and estrogen of pills. Oral pills alter or inhibit ovulation and implantation and also modify the quality of cervical mucus to prevent or retard entry of sperms. In this case, the tablets are used to prevent or retard entry of sperms, okay, by increasing the mucus inside the cervix. Oral pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days starting with the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. Okay, Saheli, an example of oral contraceptive developed by the scientists at Central Drug Research Institute, CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, contains a non-steroid called Centochrome. Okay, this is also a type of pill. It is a once a week pill with very few side effects. This is a oral pill. Next, replants or injections are effective for longer period although their mode of action is similar to oral contraceptives. Progesterone along or in combination with estrogen are used by females as injections or implants under the skin. In this case, we are using injections or implants introduced into the skin. Here also we have to prevent the birth control. Emergency contraceptives included administration of progesterone or progestogen. Estrogen combinations are intrauterine devices within 72 hours of coitus. It has been found to be very effective to avoid possible pregnancy due to the rape or casual unprotected intercourse. Both of these techniques are highly effective but poorly reversible. Next one is sterilization or surgical methods. Here using surgical methods to control birth are used by male or female partners as a terminal methods to prevent contraception. Here we are using permanent method of birth control. This is a permanent method of birth control that is called vasectomy is applied in case of male, which is used in male. In this method, a small portion of vas deferens is removed or tied up through an incision on the scrotum. In case of females, tubectomy is applied in females where a small part of fallopian tubes is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. See, this is a vasectomy, tubectomy. Asectomy we are using in the case of males. See here, vas deferens tied and cut. This is used in males. See in the female, tubectomy, we called as tubectomy. Here fallopian tubes tied and cut. See, this is the surgical method, medical termination of birth control. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion is intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term. See, voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term. The government of India had legalized MTP in 1971 with small strict conditions to avoid the misuse. There are important to check indiscriminate and illegal female feticides which are reported to be high in India. MTP are done in certain cases where pregnancy can harmful and even fatal either to the mother or the fetal of both or due to failure of contraceptive used during coitus or rapes. This is the medical termination of pregnancy. We have to control or abortion is intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy occurs in this case. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. During second trimester, MTPs are unsafe and could be fatal too. This is not a good case in the second trimester. About 45 to 50 million MTPs are carried out in a year all over the world. It has significant role in decreasing population through it is not meant for the purpose. Thank you.